Welcome back to Romanovich Auto Surgeon. Today we're hopping back onto this 2007 CRF450R. We're finally going to do a full conversion on it. As you can see in front of me, there's a package. If you don't know what those guys are all about, you will find out here soon in the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Hit that little bell to stay notified of other builds that are to come. There are plenty more like rides on this beast and another ride that we will be revealing here very soon, very shortly. Obviously we got a little bit of a new the front fender, it was gone, so we got a service fender for this thing. But let's go ahead and do a full walk around what she looks like right now, and we're gonna do a full conversion on her. Nothing crazy, but it's gonna look mint. Seen in the previous video of this reveal, I did shoot a small little clip, like a few second clip of a bike reveal, and I just have done it again in this one. I hope you guys stay tuned because that is pretty sweet reveal for that bike. But let's go ahead and jump on this one. It's already nice and cleaned up. I went and took it for a test ride. Very powerful, got plenty of meat behind it. So let's go ahead and jump on this. What we're doing is replacing all these plastics graphics kit. We're redoing this whole thing. It's going to be pretty sweet. I've never done this before, so it's probably going to be a challenge, but how hard could it be, you know? I've seen other people do it plenty of times, so we're going to try it ourselves. Hopefully it works out. If not, then it was worth a try. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I already cleaned up the bike over there. It is pretty much ready. I'm just gonna use some prep all, clean it all off, all the plastics, make sure it's ready. But here is a small little sneak peek of what the design will look like. It is going off of Whiskey Throttle. If you're wanting this type of design or other ones that they actually create, let me know. I will have the link in the description. Pretty nice setup. I don't know if I'll be able to complete it in this video, sadly, just because the number plate that we have over there is actually red, and the splash guards for the front of the shocks, dust guards or whatever you call them, they're also red. So I don't know, kind of doesn't complement the bike the same way. I might have to get black ones, just like I got the front fender black. So we might have to wait on that, sadly, because I want it to be all black and that have that full same color theme. So we'll have to hold off on those. I think we can still wrap the rest. So yeah, I just think it'll look very odd with them being red and everything else is black. So we'll just wait for those, and hopefully they won't take too long to come in. It might be in the next video, so just because this one might be a little too long. So let's go ahead and hop into it. I think the first things that we're actually going to do are those little covers right there for the air box. Got this little cover in that one. I think we're going to do that for both sides, that and that, and see how it turns out. Hopefully it won't be too difficult. So my battery's dying, sadly, but here I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it's already turning out like. So here is this one side. We got this one panel done. Still got to do that right there. It's turning out pretty good. It's pretty hard to align them. For some reason, they're a little bit off shape, but I mean, still they're turning out really nice. I even put in this little piece. Otherwise it was gonna get thrown out. So I wanted to complete the letters as much as possible and keep it with that full graphic. Personally, it looks super nice. I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going ahead. So I think I'm gonna record each panel when I'm done, and then we'll do a full walk around just to save some battery. All right guys, we finally finished it. It looks pretty freaking minty. So let's go ahead and show it to you guys. This thing probably will be going up on Facebook Market really soon. So if you want to get it, 2007 CRF450R. And I'll probably catch you guys in the next one. Let's go and check this bike out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little subscribe so you guys can grow this channel. And I can keep bringing these videos to you guys. And hit that little bell so you guys get notified when I post other videos. Let's go and get into this reveal.